Welcome back. This is Mahwish Ahmed, and let's go back to history, exploring together. How many of you feel that section C of our course is difficult? Yeah, I know a lot of you feel that. So why not come up with a different way of revising the entire section C? I know you must have heard what's different about it, but let's look at how things have been made easy to us by one of our own Pakistani singers. And he's done this rap song with a Balochi singer. I'm really fond of that. So whenever we are done with our course, let's look at this song. So let me give you an example how it explores the different eras and phases of our political background. And this is just a look at it. Let's see. Okay, notice this is Bhutto Sahab Jab Aaya. So it talks about arrival of Bhutto or the takeover of Bhutto from the year 1972, or to put it very precisely, from 20th December 1971, when Bhutto comes into power after Yahya Khan. So he points out the kind of government that Bhutto runs, and then he mentions one of the first thing that Bhutto does when he comes to power. He says, "Pehle kaidi churaya," which means the prisoners of war that Pakistan lost in 1972. The 92,000 prisoners of war, Bhutto got them released, and he signed similar agreement with Indira Gandhi, which released all those prisoners of war that we had lost in the 1971 fiasco. Then he says, Zameen Taqseem Karaya. Interestingly, these point out Bhutto's land reforms, the slash by 50% that Zulfikar Ali Bhutto made for ending feudalism, slash by 50% compared to Ayub's land reforms. Then we also talk about trade unions and labor unions that were introduced by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Hold your horses and see what else is talked about. Okay, Milo ko tala lagaya. Now, if you notice this closely, you will see Bhutto introduced economic reform order, which was nationalization of industries. So a lot of industries were actually shut down because they could not continue government on they could not continue trading and mass production on bare minimum. We see that Bhutto nationalized the industries for the sake, economic sector, for the sake of bringing down inflation, which he did by a magnificent percentage. But the fact is, the interesting way of doing this is through this rap song, because it highlights the phase that we've had of different political leaders and either the very big thing or the defect that they had in their government. Again, we are aware that PPP uses the election slogan of Roti Kapda Makan, has been for a long time now. So these words and this chant and this rap is a very radical way. Throughout this whole song, we see that different phases, starting right from Jinnah, different phases of different governor generals and different prime ministers and presidents have been discussed in this song up till the time this song has aired. So the song ends with Musharraf and Jamali, which is obviously not part of our course, but then it's an interesting take on our history. Do watch it with me. So for that, log on to hikmah.com.